Waiting for the ghost train. Waiting for the ghost train.
Chested man, a pocket full of posies with a hat brim full of sand. Ooh, waiting for the train that never comes. A dog chasing the tumbleweeds across the sandy floor, drift along the platform through the ticket office store. Ooh, waiting for the train that never comes. Waiting for the train that never comes. But don't tell me there's nothing coming. You don't fool me. I hear the ghost train rumbling along the track and free. And I hear that it's black and white. Don't try to hide it. Master's writing with a piece of orange chalk, 100 cancellations that no one wants to walk. Keep the hungry children from the skeletons in the van. Aim to keep an eye out for the gypsy caravan. Ooh, waiting for the train that never comes. Ooh, waiting for the train that never comes.